Morning everyone, welcome to Kenai Fjords Tours today. Today you all are going to be on a 6-hour national park tour with us. The boat that you're going to be on is going to be the Nunatak.
This is ours, a Nunatak. Everybody's heading up. You can see all that haze. That is smoke from, as they refer to it, as the bush fire. And happy 4th of July. The bald eagle is sitting there to celebrate. Oh, say, can you see the dawn's early light? What so proudly we had the twilight's last gleam. You can see another silver seas came in this morning.
These guys eat up about a third of their body weight every day and constantly eating the main
This is floating along there.
Between them and other marine mammals is how they keep warm. They don't have a layer of blubber. They have very thick fur. They're the smallest member of the marine mammal family, but they're also the largest member of the weasel family at the same time. They like to ham it up for the cameras too. Sometimes they'll roll over when I ask them to.
It's our first sea otter. Look at him. Or her.
Kind of looks like he's used to getting his picture taken.
I guess.
Life of Riley. Lay around all day eating seafood.
Very foggy out. Very, very foggy.
Seabirds that we'll see today, and there goes one right now flying up in. Many of these seabirds that we'll see today, throughout the day, are all pelagic. They spend most of their life right on the water, except for when they come in to various places like this around to lay their eggs.
Lots of bats live in the caves.
Fly out of there, yeah, but you just never know.
Beautiful colors. Very pretty.
And around here, looking closely, you'll start seeing a lot of puffins in the air up above us flying around as well. More puffins have the white bellies.
You have to get close to see them. A lot of puffins keep flying by, but not quite like when we've seen them before, where you can walk right up to the burrows. Those are our lunches sitting there, chicken wraps and chips, which sounds darn good to me.
Ooh, what's that? That was
a puffin.
No.
250 years ago, before it receded back to about 4.5 miles up into where it sets now.
It's a tidewater glacier.
A few pictures of them. These are transient orcas, which means they are the true killer whales. They feed on other marine mammals. Yeah, they come out all around.
That's the Holgate Glacier in front of us that we were supposed to go see on board our ship the other day.
What barren the ground is, you're right up to the glacier.
It would be ideal to see a chunk break off.
Glacier is basically a river of flowing ice which has been being propelled by gravity. We're going to have another glacier coming in too over on the left here. Just about a 400-year-long process.
It's a surprise glacier, which is fairly new. I think that's what he said.
something climbing up the rocks.
Look at that waterfall coming down
No, I
from
can't see it. If I need my binoculars, I guess not.
that. Harbor sails. There. They've just given birth. Harbor seals.
I think they like to keep close to the glacier and not. Bigger chunks and
the ice cracking at all?
Oh, there.
Oh, yay!
Did anybody have their finger on the trigger when that came down?
Yes,
That was a good one.
that was a good one, right in front.
People always ask us why the glacier has a bluish tint to it. More to do with the density of the ice more than anything. It's had all of the air
Thank you.
squeezed completely out of it by the time it gets down here. So when the light hits it, the only color of the spectrum that is not absorbed is blue.
It's in your regular ice.
Yeah, there's no bubbles. There's a smaller one. The entire glacier runs about 13 miles from the sea. It's about 3 miles from one end to the other end down here at the sea line. Some incredible pinnacles up at the top there. This is a really big ship. 2 decks. We've been standing on the upper deck. I was told that they take approximately $175 a person for a tour, and I think it's well worth it. Now we've got all these ships out here that had stopped to observe what they think this orcas. Kitty winks, kitty
A
walks.
couple of days ago, some of our other crews on other boats had actually spotted some of the chicks that had hatched out. So we might get lucky and see one today. I have not seen one yet myself, but let's look real close here. Oh, laying their egg.
They return every year to the same spot to lay their eggs. Big colony. Line rookery, which means that they give birth here on this haul out. And the pups were born approximately a month ago. It's amazing how they haul themselves up.
And at that depth, at night, fishing is pretty dark down there, so they can't see a thing. Basically, have
Woo!
to rely on there.
Oh, there's a pup.
They have an incredible amount of mobility when it comes to
He climbed right up there.
like harvest seals, who have to depend on the tide. Dive to depths of up to 600 feet in search of herring or other small fish. Thought he was going to slide right back in there for a minute. You can tell they are quite boisterous. Wind it, articulating fin, allow them to get right up on those rocks pretty well.
They're very agile to be able to climb up that slippery rock.
Real tricky farm. This must have been
Pretty interesting creatures.
Can be a sea lion haul
Yeah,
out.
so we can get a few shots. I'd have to go slow here because the bow has to get the pictures first, and then the stern later on as I work my way down.
She's just hanging out there, literally.
Okay, everybody back on the stern, get a look up in there. Take a look around the other side again.
I saw a whale blow out there somewhere. Oh, no, that's not it. It's just the blue rocks.
We're going to get just a very brief glimpse of a North Pacific humpback whale. We need to start motoring back to it.
He was up and down so quick.
I know.
Here he is again.
There we go, right there. Humpback.
Well, I was hoping he'd give us a fluke shot.
We're heading back. That's where we just saw the whale and the puffins. Here we are, back in Seward, along RV Row.
It'll go between town, the ship, and the small boat harbor.
Right here.
Another sea otter, right there. Just hanging around. Doing the sea otter paddle. This Kenai Fjords has a lot of ships.